So welcome to our class today. So we will talk about our lesson for today is about the te form. Okay. So we discussed already that in Japanese there are several types of groups. Okay, there are several groups. Let's go first with our group one. Okay, the group one is what we call known as our consonant verb. Or in technical term, it's our godan. So I'll let you know how to use this verb. So we discussed last time our verb groupings, how you will know, how you will distinguish a consonant verb, okay? A consonant or our godan verb. So for example, we have our nomimas, okay? Nomimas. So we have our nomimas here. So once we drop our mas, okay, the verb should be in the E line, okay, E line. So all the verb is actually under, in this group, we will be fall in the E. No, it will be in the E line. Okay. So what are the E line that we have already? So let's take a look. All the verb that will start with our okay, E, she, me, chi, me, ri. Okay, and with our sound, okay, we have our gi. Okay, also they're also included. We have our gi. Okay, then this one our g. Then we have our he. We will have our we. Then we have our p. Okay, so that's it. Okay, akasatana, hama, ya, rawa. Okay, so these are the sounds. All of these sounds that in the E line, okay, they will have, they're part of our consonant verbs. So make sure that you take note all of the sounds. So let's have some examples. Okay. So for example, we have our ito, kakimasu. Okay. So we have our key here. It's part of the idan, right? Ki. Kakimasu, okay? We have to write. Okay. So let's have another one, nomimasu, okay? So it's still in the idan, to drink. We have our kachimasu, to win, okay? It's still in the idan. Okay. So we have another one. Let's have wakarimasu, ikimasu, kaerimasu. So if you will take a look, if we're going to drop the mas, okay, it's everything them are in the E line already, right? But we have exemption for that. There are several verbs that once we drop the mas, it's, and we have for the single I. So some of them are, we have our kaimas, to buy. We have our haraimas, aimas, okay. So these still are under the fall of the consonant verb, okay. So even we drop our mas, we will still see the single E, but that those verbs are still considered as our consonant verb. So now let's go with the conjugation, how this one works for our te form. So for the te form, we have our verb groupings. Let's go first with the groupings of E, chiri. Okay. So what we will do is we will drop it. Then by adding te, double T, okay, we will drop te. So for example, with say kaimas, the rule is we will drop, okay. First, what we will do is in order for us to solve it, we will drop our mas, then change it to te. So that will become now kate. Kate. Okay? So that is the te form of it. So let's have another one. Let's say, okay, for how about aimas to meet. So let's have ito, Jomari, aimas, it will become?
Ate.
One more, it become?
Ate.
Very good. So we will have our ate. Okay, very good. How about let's have utaimas. Okay, Jerome.
Utate.
Very good. So we have utate. Okay. So dropping mass. Then after dropping the mass, we will change the ichiri to te. That is the ruling. Okay. Okay. Yokodekimashita. Okay. Now this is for the i. Okay. Now let's go now with our chi. Okay. So we have some verbs. We have our machimas, kachimas, mochimas. Okay. This one, the verb, what we will do, we will drop again mas and we will change the chi to te. So same ruling. So we become machimas. Machimas, it will become, let's have Janil.
Ano po, Sensei? Mate.
Very good. So we will have our mate. Kachimas becomes?
Kate.
Very good. So they have the same. Even the word kaimas and kachimas, they have different word, but once it become te form, they will have the same reading, but they will have a different kanji. So for example, if you're gonna write this one in kanji, the kanji of this one is this. Well, the kanji of this we have here. Okay, this one, okay? So that's the role of the kanji. In order for you to understand, once you say kachimasu kate, then from the kanji itself, you will know already the meaning of it. Okay, wakarimasu ka?
Hi, Sensei, wakarimasu.
Okay, good. So how about mochimasu? It becomes?
Motte.
Okay, we'll have our motte. Okay, we will have our motte. So those are the rulings for these verbs. Now, let's have another one, groupings. Let's have our re. Okay. Okay, for the re, so for example, we have our wakarimasu. So it's the same rule, we will drop mas, then change to te, it will become now wakate. Okay, we will have our wakate. So let's have another one, kairimasu. So Jean-Marie, that will become?
Aite.
Kae.
Te.
Te. Okay, kaete. Okay, kaete. How about kirimasu? To cut, it becomes?
Ite.
Okay, so we have our ite. Okay. So now, why are we studying the te form? Because we have another one, okay, what we call our form. So the ta form is the past tense of making plain, no? Plain. So for example, instead of katte, okay, with this one, our katte, it can change now to katta. So instead of saying kaimashita, it become katta. So they have the same meaning. So instead of saying aimashita, it will become atta. That is the plain form. Instead of saying otaimashita, it will become otatta. Okay? So that is actually how very important the te form, because it's impossible for you to do the ta form without doing the te form. I will discuss to you about how to do the ta form in the future. But technically, this is the ruling. You know already how to make the plain form of these verbs, plain form of the past tense. Now, let's focus first with our te form, okay, for our conjugation of our ichiri, no? For the grouping. Okay. Next one is we have our group of our ni, bi, okay? For our group of ni, bi, so what we will do, drop again the mass, then convert the ni, bi, change it to ende. So let's go with our mi. Okay. For our mi, so for example, we have our nomimas. So we will drop mass, and then change mi, it will become nonde. Okay? Nonde. How about we have our yomimas? To read, let's have Janil.
Yonde.
Very good. Hai, yokodekimashita. So we will have our yonde. Okay. So how about ito? Okay. 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 Okay, let's go for mi muna. Then in our verb, okay, there's only one verb for our ni, okay? For our ni is only one verb. We have our shinimas. Shinimas, it means to die. So we will drop mass, then convert ni. It will become, Jerome?
Shinde.
Hi, shinde, okay? Shinde. Okay. So that is the rulings for that one, okay? How about let's have the conjugation of our bi. Okay. So for example, asobimas, to hang out. So it will become jomari.
Sonde.
Hi, it will become our asonde. Okay. Drop mass, then change mass to bi. Okay. Hi, yokodekimashita. So we have again for our mi bi, change only to ende. Next one is our ki. Okay. So ki, we convert it to our ite. Okay, ite. So for example, we have our kakimas. Okay, kakimas, we drop mass, then adding ite, so it will become kaite. How about kikimas? Janil, it will become?
Kite.
Mahaba?
Kikite. Kite.
Hi, kite. Okay. How about Janil, hatarakimas?
Hatarate. Hataraite.
Hataraite. Okay.
Hataraite.
Okay. We don't say hataraite, but hataraite. Okay. How about we have, let's add a new vocab. We have ogokimas, to move. Okay, Jerome, it will become?
Ugoite.
Okay, we have our ogoite. Okay, ogoite. Then we have another one, okay. Then, well, for our gi, okay, it have a different rule. We have our ide, okay. Ide, so for example, let's have our verb. We have our oyogimas. Oyogimasu. Okay. So what we will do, we will drop mas, then change gi to ide. So it will become oyoide. Okay. Oyoide. Okay. Okay. How about this one? We have our word isogimasu. Okay. It will become Jomari.
Isoide.
It will become isoide. Okay. Okay. So to be in a hurry. Iso, okay, become our isoide. Okay. So in once we also adding kudasai, that means to do the action piece. Okay. So for example, when you say to the person, usoide kudasai, please be in a hurry. So for example, you want please swim, so it become oyoide, then adding our kudasai. That's also the one of the function of our kudasai. So for example, you want to say please write, so by adding kudasai, okay, so it will transform now to kaite kudasai. Okay, please listen, kiite kudasai. Okay. And so on, that applies to every verb. Just make it first to the te form, then adding our ite. Next verb rules is we have for our she. Okay. So for she, it will become simple, drop mas, then change she to shite. She to shite. So for example, hanashimasu, it will convert now to hanashite. Okay. So we drop mas, then the she, it transformed to shite. So we have our hanashite. Okay. So let's have another verb. So for example, eto. Okay. How about this Jerome? Okay. Yonde kudasai. Ano yung magiging te form niya? Te form will become?
Oroshite.
Okay. What is oroshimasu?
To withdraw.
Very good.
Money.
Okay. To withdraw money, no? To withdraw money. Okay. Oroshite. So just by just only changing the ro to shi. Okay. So that is the ruling. Now let's go now with our group 2. Okay, of our consonant verb. Okay. For our consonant, this is now not consonant anymore. This is what we call the vowel verb. Okay. And instead of the godan, it's called by the group of ichidan. Okay. Ichidan. So this one, it comes from the word or the line of it comes from edan. Okay. It comes from the word of edan. If the verb is in the L line, okay, they will be tagged already as group 2, but there are some verbs that are special, and as I will show to you later the verb that are special. So let's have our nemas, okay, tabemas, okay, eto, let's have another one, eto, nemas, oshiemas, okay, oshiemas to teach. So like in this one, the verb, it's in the E, right? We have our ne, we have be, and oshie. If the verb is under with the L line, that becomes now our F form. So by simple, what we will do is we will drop mas, then by adding te. So it become nemas, it become nete. Very simple, right? While tabemas, it becomes tabete. Oshiemas is we have our oshiete. Okay? Oshiete. Drop mas, then adding te. But we have verbs that are exempted. Okay? And here are them. Okay. So these verbs are our specials. They have their own corresponding verbs. It's even in the idan, but they are exempted. Okay. Let's try to read the following verb. Let's have ito. You read the mass form, the English, and the te form. Let's have first Jomari.
Karimas, to borrow. Karite. Orimas, to get off. Orite. Tarimas, to be enough. Tarite. Ikimas, to leave. Ikite. Okimas, to wake up. Okite.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's have the next group naman. Let's have Janelle. Okay. Hi, Dozo.
Sugimas to exceed. Sugite. Dekimas to be able. Dekite. Imas to have, animate. Itte. Kimas to come. Kite. Kimas to wear. Kite.
Okay, so there are two kimas here, but the one to kimas to come is group 3, and I will introduce to you later on that is group 3, but we have another kimas is to wear, which is group 2. Okay, Saigo, eto Jerome-san.
Kanjimas to feel. Kanjite. Shinjimas to believe. Shinjite. Mimas to see. Mite. Abimas to take a shower. Abite.
Hi, Japanese no? Okay. So those are the word for our examples. Now let's go with our group 3. Okay, so this is what we call in Japanese. It's more easy because we have irregular verbs. Okay, so this is actually the irregular verbs. So the good thing with them, there are more, dalawa lang kasi, there are only 2 irregular verbs. So we have our shimas, to do, and we have our kimas. So how to make it te form? Shimas, it become shite, and we have our kimas, it will become kite. Okay, so they are exempted. They don't have any rules that we follow for group 1, group 2, or group 3. So let's have more examples of the verb. Okay, so we have for mimas, okay, it become mite. Okay, next, Jomari, okay. From 1 to 5, go ahead.
Tabite.
Okay, up, kikimas. Kikimas, it becomes.
Kite.
Okay, kite, mahaba. Kite. Okay. Next one, tabemas, it becomes.
Tabite.
Okay, we have our tabete. Hi, yoko dekimashita. Okay, nomimas, it becomes.
No minde.
So ikaw, one more, it becomes. Nomimas, it becomes.
Nominde.
Nonde. Nonde.
Hai.
Wakarimasu ka?
Yonde. Hai, wakarimasu.
Okay.
Yonde.
Okay. Okay, and number 5.
Yonde.
Okay, hi, yonde. Okay. Let's have rokuban kara, juban made. Ito. Okay, let's have Jerome.
Hi, sensei. Nemas nette.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead now.
Nemas nete. Okimas. Okite. Aimas. Ate. Utaimas. Utate. Kakimas. Kaite.
Okay. So we have here our okite. This is group 2. This is also exempted. Aimas ate, utate, kaite, kate, and we have tote, to take a picture. Okay. Let's have this one instead. Okay. Jusamban kara Jukyuban Jamil.
Kairimasu kai kaite kaete
Kaete. Okay, kaete.
to go ikimasu ite
Okay.
ite to come kimasu kite. Sensei,
One
hanggang
more,
saan
to
po
come.
pala?
Dito special, to come, right?
Ay, to come, sensei. Kite.
Kite lang, no? Okay, hi.
Kite. To put in iremas. Ito. Ite.
Okay. It become, no, ire. Nasa
Irete.
group 2, no? Group 2
Group 2
siya.
po siya.
Become
Irete.
irete. Okay, irete.
Irete.
Okay, next. Hashirimasu.
Hashirimasu. Hashite.
Okay, hashite. Okay,
Hashite.
How about suimasu?
Suimasu. Suite.
Okay, so we have our suimasu. Wala nang i, no? Dadrop natin siya.
Sute.
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 Kailang yan, no? Sanayan lang yan, no? Because you're doing conjugations pa. Sa umpisa lang yan, okay? Sanayan lang yan, okay? Saigo.
Gambarimasu. Gambarite.
So, group 1. Drop mass, then change ri to?
Gambate.
Hi, gambate.
Gambate.
That's the reason we hear that expression too, right?
Gambate.
Gambate. How about okurimasu?
Okutte.
Hi, okutte. Yoko dekimashita.
Hi.
Okay. Sige wa, koko kara, Jerome, koko made.
Hi, sensei. Haraimasu. Haratte. Tsukurimasu. Tsukutte. Hanashimasu. Hanashite. Machimasu. Matte. Wasuremasu. Wasurete. Bikuri shimasu. Bikuri shite.
Okay, very bikuri. Shimasu, it will change to shite. Okay, jat sige wa, jomari. Koko kara, koko made.
Nomberi shimasu, nomberi shite. Then wao shimasu, then wao shite. Ryori shimasu, ryo o shite. Shigoto shimasu, shigoto shite. Suputsu shimasu, suputsu shite. Kaimono shimasu, kaimono shite.
Okay. And patio shimasu, we have our patio shite. So it's very common, just only change shimasu to shite, okay, with our verb here. Okay. So that is our verb. Now let's have a different activity today. Okay, so let's play Kahoot, okay, with this platform. Okay. Let's have first Jerome, okay. Let me know the third form of the following words. Okay, this one.
Atte.
What color?
Orange, sensei.
Okay, orange. Okay.
Daidairu.
Right. Next one, let's have Janelle.
Kakemasu. Kakemasu. Sensei, blue po.
Blue is, okay, it should be, because it's in the E line, right?
Ay,
Kake.
oo nga
This
pala.
is
Ilan?
potential from
Kakete.
kakimas to write, but kakemas can write. Okay, so need to become all the verb that is in the under the potential. Okay, they're automatically moved to group 2 already. Wakarimasu ka?
Ay, sensei.
Okay.
Nalito po.
Okay, that's tricky, I know. Sinadya ko talaga yan. Okay, let's have Jamari.
Sumimasu. The red one, sensei.
Okay, red. Okay, sumimasu, it means to live. Okay, so we have sunde. Kaya sunde imasu. Okay, hi. Okay, let's have Jerome.
Orange again, sensei.
Okay, so we have our orange. Okay. Hi, yoko dekimashita. Okay. Okay, let's have next. Okay, Janelle.
Nemas. Sensei, nende. Ay, nete, sensei.
Nete. Final answer.
Ay.
Okay.
Sorry, sensei. Nalilito
Group
po ako.
2. So, umpisa lang yan. Okay? Nete.
Apa.
That. Sige what? Jerome.
Okay. Aoy.
Okay. Hi. It means to open. Akemasu, it means to open. Okay? Akete. F1. Next, Jomari.
Arite, sensei. Red one.
Red. Okay, red is wrong because group 1, no? Ri. So it become ate. Wakarimasu ka?
Ay.
Ba't nalito? Ba't tayo nalito? Bakit sinabing arite?
Nagdadalawang isip ako, sensei, kung blue or yung red.
Hindi siya exempted, no? Right? Remember
Opo.
our reads. So very simple. Since it's not exempted, it become ate. Huwag ka maghula ka. Don't go with the sound. I know it's a little bit awkward. Arite, ate. Because we have our arimas, diba? Arimas and aimas. Aimas at Tefab, they have the same thing. And it doesn't matter. What follows is the rules. Okay, it's okay. Okay, Jerome.
Akite. Midori. Sensei.
Okay, Midori, okay.はい、横できました. Okay, to wear. Okay. 次は、Janil.
Sensei, aka po.
Aka, okay. Aka, we have to take picture. Korimasu.
Yay!
That, sige wa, ito, Jerome. Okay, so warimasu, it means to touch. Gomene, it means to sit.
So, Ichiro. Akaye, sensei.
Okay, aka, okay, to sit, okay. Okay, we have our aka. Okay, so that's the reason if you want to say please sit, so make it sawate kudasai. Okay, chotamate, I just need to refresh it. Okay. Okay, next one, let's have Janil.
Nonde po, sensei.
Okay, so we have our nonde. Okay. Next, we have Hanashimasu, Jerome.
Hanashite, sensei. Aka.
Hanashite. Okay, let's have John Marie.
Kabete, sensei.
Okay, so we will
Midori.
have Midori. Okay. Okay, Janil. Ikimasu, it becomes
Kite. Aka.
okay, mahaba na. Kite. Hi. Okay, let's have Jomari.
Orange, sensei.
It become our orange. Okay. Hi. So we have our nugimas. It means to take off. So for example, to take off shoes, to take off the clothes. Okay. Nugimas. Okay. Next one, let's have Jerome.
Aka, kabutte.
Okay, kabute. So this one, it comes from the word means to put on, but we use this one only for the hats. Anything that we put on the head, okay? Kaburimas. So you can remember this one. Kaburimas like kabute, okay? You can remember like the mushroom like a head, okay? Ja, let's have ito kana. Janil, shimemas. It means to close.
Shimete.
Okay. So we have shimete, group 2, okay? The L line, right? Shimemas. Okay. Jomari.
Mimas. Midori, sensei.
Midori, okay? Let's see. It's wrong because it's special, right? Mimas. Remember what I showed to you earlier? Okay, oboiteru. Okay, let me show that to you. Mimas ne. Okay. Okay. Mimas. Okay, this one, no? It's special. Mite. Wakarimasu ka?
Hi, sensei. Wakarimasu.
Okay. Na-tense lang, no? Okay, let's one, Jerome.
Okay. Hatte, sensei. Ao?
So become what
Hatte.
color?
Ao po, sensei.
Ow. Okay, ow. It become haite ki, no? Hakimas.
Ay,
Okay.
sensei. Nalito po ako sa ikimas.
Hakimas. Okay, so we have our hakimas. It means to put on, but this one, like saying this one, to put on for the, what do you call this one? Lower part of the body, okay? Like shoes, pants, we have our hakimas. Okay, not hatte, okay, because in ki. Okay lang yan, na? Masasanay lang din kayo. Okay, let's have our word ikimas. Okay. Okay, this one is special. So this one is even ki. We say it actually should be ite, but this is special. We have our ite. Okay. So take note, this is special. This verb ikimas, it will become ite. So this is exempted. Okay. Okay, so let's continue with our following verbs. Okay, let's have more. Okay. Janil, F1.
Aray. Ano ba? Aray mas. Araite, sensei.
It become arate. No?
Ay, arate.
Arate. Okay, it means to wash. Okay, to wash. Okay. Next one, let's have Jerome.
Aruwite.
Okay, very good. So we have our aruwite. Okay, it means to walk. Okay, to walk. How about let's have Jomari, iimasu to say.
Itte.
Very good. We have our itte, okay? Itte, it means to say. Jerome?
Itte. Itte din po.
Okay, very good. So we still have our itte because this is exempted. Ikimasu is our exempted to go. Okay. Next one, ito. Okay, Janelle. Janelle?
Ay, sorry po, Sensei. Nakamute pala. Isoide po.
Okay, isoide. To be in a hurry. Okay. Okay. Ito. Okay. Jomari, to need. Okay.
Iritte.
So it become.
Itte.
Okay. Still itte. Okay. Itte. So for example, kailangan or you need something, but the particle of that one is ga. So for example, visa, no? Ito, visa. Visa ga irimasu. Okay. Visa ga irimasu. Need the passport. Ja, ito. Okay. Okimasu. This one is different. This one, it means to put. Okay. We have another group 1, group 2, okimasu, which is to sleep. But we have another okimasu to put. Okay. So okimasu, this is group 1 of the put, while our to sleep is group 2. Okay, let's have Jerome. Okimasu of the put.
Group 1. Oite.
Okay.
Oite.
Hi, oite. Okay, to put. Okay. While here our okite. Okay, okite. Okay. So they have different because it's already group. Okay. Next one, ito. Janelle, to send.
Okutte, Sensei.
Okay, it will come our okutte. Okay, okutte, it means to send. Okay, now let's have more challenge. You know already our araimas, our plain form is arau, right? So now what I will do, I will give a plain form, then let's try to convert it. I will give a plain form, then you will convert it now to our F form, okay? So there will be a conversion first. What you will do, you will convert it first to arau. Arau, it will become araimas, then will become arate. So let's try. Since medyo sisil na sa inyo, no? So let's me put a little bit challenge for this time. Okay. Wakarimasu ka? Hi, Sensei. Wakarimasu. Okay, let's start.
No choice po.
Okay, Jerome.
Oshimasu. Oshite.
Okay, we have our oshite. Okay, oshite, it means to push. Hi, yokodekimashita. Ja, eto. Okay. Ja, Janelle,
Omoshimasu, Sensei.
Like,
Invento.
omoimasu, right? So become?
Omoimasu. Omote, Sensei.
Omote. So drop E, then T. So we have our omoimasu, it means to think, okay? To think. Or like to have a thought, okay? Next one, okay. Jomari, we have owaru. Okay.
Owarimasu.
Owarimasu, the form, it becomes
Owate.
はい、終わって。はい。じゃあ、Jerome, let's have this one. 返す。
返して。返し
返
て。
し Okay, so we have it means to return something. Okay, to return something. Okay, let's have, okay, Janil, 帰る。
あー、帰る。帰り、帰るって、先生。
So, it becomes 帰ります。
はい、
So,
帰ります。
drop
帰って。
mask, change 帰って。帰って。
で
Sanayan lang yan, okay? The next one, ito. Okay. Sa Jerome, kaku.
書きます。書いて。書いて、先生。
書いて。横できました。Okay? じゃあ、ジョンマリー。
Kataimasu.
Become. Anong plain form mo na ito? Anong polite? What is the polite form?
Kachimasu.
Okay, kachimasu. So it become.
Katte.
Okay. So we will have our katte. Okay. Janil.
かぶる。
Mushroom.
Ano po, sensei? Kaburimasu.
Okay, and then plain form.
Kabote.
Kabutte. Okay, double T. Kabutte.
Kabote.
Okay. Okay, next one. Okay. Jerome.
Kite.
Okay, we have our kite. Okay, mahaba. Kite because it comes from the word of kikimasu. Okay, kikimasu. Let's have Janil. Kirimasu. It become kiru. Okay, go ahead.
Kirimasu. Kiru. Kite, sensei.
Mahaba
Kite.
talaga.
Ay, kirimasu.
Kirimasu, diba? Drop mass. Then what will happen to the?
Kite, sensei. Kite.
Okay, kite. Hai, yoko dekimashita. How about kesu? Let's have Jomari.
Keshimasu.
Okay. Keshimasu. It becomes
Keshite.
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 Hai. Keshite, it means to erase. Okay. Let's have. Okay, go ahead now. Eto, Jerome.
Sawaru. Sawate.
Okay, we have a sawate, means to see. Okay, let's have our shiru, to know. Let's have Jomari.
Shirimasu. Shitte.
Okay, shitte. Yoko dekimashita. Okay, how about Su? Let's have Janil.
Suite, sensei. Sutte.
Sutte. Okay, to smoke. Okay, to smoke. Okay. Jerome, sumu.
Sunde.
Okay, we have our sunde. Okay, to live. Okay, to live. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's have Tatsu. Jomari.
Tachishimasu. tatte,
One more, it will come. Tatsu, it will come.
tachishima,
Tachimasu. Okay, and then
tatte,
tate. Okay, to stand. Okay, to stand. Okay, next one. Okay, let's have dasu. Janil.
Dasu, dashte, sensei.
Okay, very good. We have our dash. And nakaka-adjust na siya. Okay, it means to take out. Okay, to take out. Okay, giwa. Okay, Jerome, to use.
Tsukaimasu. Tsukatte.
So we have our tsukatte. Okay, tsukatte, to use. Ito. Okay, Jean-Marie, tsuku.
tsukimasu, tsukite,
One more. Tsu,
tsukite, tsuite,
suite. Okay, suite. Okay, it means to arrive. Okay, it comes from the word tsukimasu. Okay, tsukimasu. So we drop mas, then change ki, ite, to arrive. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, to make or to produce or to cook, Jerome.
Tsukurimasu. Tsukutte.
Okay, Maori. Sukutte. Okay, sukutte. Okay, let's have one. Okay. Check natin eh. Okay, let's have Jerome again. Surete iku.
Tsurete. Iki. Tsurete itte. Tsurete itte.
So we have our surete. Okay, what?
Itte sensei. Itte.
Okay, ite.
Ikimasu.
Okay, because it comes from the word surete iku. Polite form is surete. Ikimasu, no? Surete ikimasu. But we know that our ikimasu is special. So the te form is not ite, but ite. So therefore, we have our surete ite. Okay. Wakarimasu ka?
Hai, sensei, yoko wakarimasu.
Okay. So it means to take someone. Okay. To take someone. Okay. Next one, let's have Janil. Okay. It means to help.
Tetsudaimasu. Tetsute.
Tetsu.
Tetsute. Sensei.
Tetsudaimasu, right?
Tetsudaimasu.
Drop mas, then eat. Convert to
Te.
Tetsudatte.
Tetsudatte.
Okay, medyo humaba lang siya kaya nalito yan.
Tetsudatte.
Okay, let's have tomaru. Okay, to stay in the hotel or to stay in a particular place. Okay, let's have Jerome.
Tomarimasu. Tomatte.
Okay, so we have our tomate. Okay, tomate. Tomarimasu. 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 Tomaru. Okay, so it should be tomate. Okay, tomatte. So for example, you want to say to stay in the hotel, okay? Hoteru. And ang particle niya is ni hoteru ni tomarimasu. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay. Okay, じゃあ、ジョンマリ、写真撮る。
写真撮ります。写真撮りて。
So it becomes 写真を撮って。写真を撮って。Okay, next one. Okay, let's have naoshimasu. It means to repair or to correct. Okay, let's have Janelle.
Naoshimasu. Naoshite, sensei.
Okay.
Naoshite.
Naoshite. Very good. Okay. 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 Let's have Jerome. Nakusu, it means to lose. Okay, to lose. Like not to defeat for something, but you lose your item. Okay.
Nakushimasu. Nakushite.
Okay, so drop, change to shite. Nakushite.
Sensei, ang particle po dyan is wo.
Okay, for example, you forgot for something. Our particle here is wo. Okay, for a direct object.
Sensei. Arimasu.
Okay, Janelle. To learn.
Naraimasu. Narate.
Right, we have our narate. Hi, narate. Next one. Okay. Okay, let's have Jerome. To become.
Natte.
Okay, to become or not. Jomari noboru. To climb.
Noborimasu. Nobotte.
Okay, so dropping it become or nobotte. Okay. But our particle for this one is ni, no? So let's say yama ni nobotte, and so on and so on. Jenny, let's have noru.
Norimasu. Notte, sensei.
Okay. So we have our note. Okay. So it becomes, for example, let's say kuruma ni notte. Kuruma ni notte. Jerome, hairu.
Hairimasu. Haite.
Okay, so we have our haite. Okay, haite to enter. Okay. Janelle, haku.
Aku. Hate, sensei.
Haite, no? Because it comes from the word of hakimasu. Okay. Then drop mass, change it to haite. Okay, tsugi Jerome, hiku.
Hite.
Become our hite, no? Hite, mahaba rin siya. Okay. So we have our hikimasu. This one, it means to pull like a cold. So to catch a cold. So when we say you will have a cold, kaze wo. Kaze is cold, then wo hikimasu. Kaze wo hikimasu. Okay, next one. Although we have another hikimasu, but the kanji of this one, okay, this is the kanji. But if you're gonna play for a guitar, okay, gita wo hikimasu, but the kanji is different. Okay, very different from each other. Okay. Ja, furu, let's have Jomari.
Furimasu. Suite. Futte.
Okay. So for example, when we say ame ga furimasu, no? Ame ga furimasu, but we will make it te, it become futte. So once in when we add our te form, then we add imas, the word becomes a present progressive. So ame ga futeimasu, so it means it's raining. So that's one of the function of the te form. By adding te form, then imas, the verb becomes a present progressive. Ja, harau. Okay, let's have Jerome.
Haratte.
Okay, so we have harate, to pay. So for example, you are paying harateimasu, harateimasu. It will become, or harate kudasai. Okay, bayaran mo please. Please pay me. Okay, something like that. Okay. Jomari, magaru.
Magatte.
Right, okay, magatte. So it means magaru, it means to turn. Okay, to turn. So for example, you want to say, please turn right. Okay, become a direction to. So we have our migi. Migi magatte. Then kudasai. Please turn right. Migi magatte kudasai. Janelle, let's have mochimasu.
Mochimasu. Motte.
Hi, we have our motte. Okay. It means to carry. Okay. Okay. Turn. Okay, so let's have our motte iku. Jerome.
Motte itte.
Okay, so we have our motte itte. Okay, so this one, earlier we have tsurete iku, to bring someone, but this one, it has a meaning of take something. Okay, take something. So motte ikimasu. Okay. Let's have Janelle morao to receive.
Moraimasu. Moratte.
Okay, moratte. Okay, hayoko dekimashita. So we have our moratte. Okay, next one, let's have our yaku ni. Yaku ni tachimasu. Okay, yaku ni tachimasu, it means to be useful. Okay, let's have Jerome.
Yaku ni tatte.
Hi, okay, drop mas and chi. Tate. Yaku ni tate, to be useful. Janelle, yasumimasu.
Yasumimasu. Yasunde, sensei.
Okay, yasunde, it means to rest, no? To rest. And let's have our yobimasu. Okay. Jerome.
Wait lang, sensei. Yonde?
Okay.
Yonde,
Yonde.
sensei.
Okay. It means to call, no? That's the reason we have in our Jiko Shokai, yonde kudasai, Satoshi sensei to yonde kudasai. Okay?
Kala ko sensei nung una yun to read.
Hmm?
Kala ko sensei yung una to read yung to yonde kudasai.
Okay, yung isa ay yomimasu yun, no? Pero they have the same te form, right? Because they share the same conjugation, yonde. So we don't say, please read me as Satoshi sensei. Okay. But this one for the book, okay? San peiji wo yonde kudasai. Please read the page 3. San peiji wo yonde kudasai. So this one, even they have different of mass form, but once we convert it to their form, they have different readings and of course different kanji already. This one is for our to call and to read is this. So they have different kanji. Okay, so let's have some sit work, okay? So, okay. Okay, so we have our watarimasu, okay? Okay. Watarimasu, it means to cross over, okay? To cross a bridge, okay? Watarimasu, so for example, you want to say hashi wo watarimasu, okay? Let's have another one, okay? We have our akemasu, okay? To open. Atsumimasu, to collect. And abimasu, okay? To take a shower, but we have our kanji katakana of shawa. Shawa wo abimasu. Okay, shawa wo. Okay. Then we have our iremasu, okay? So for example, you will have your object. We have our kohi. Kohi ni sato wo iremasu. In the coffee, I will put sugar. Okay, ito. Then we have our orimasu, okay? Orimasu, this one means to get off, but the particle instead of our densha, then you see to get to ride a train, densha ni norimasu, right? But if you will get off to the densha, it will become densha wo orimasu. Densha wo orimasu, okay? To get off. Okay. Then we have our kakemasu, okay? To call. So we have our denwa wo kakemasu. To make a phone call. But we have another one to wear eyeglasses. So we have our megane. It has also a special verb, kakemasu. Okay? Kakemasu has several meanings here. Our karimasu, okay? This one, it means to borrow, karimasu. Then, for example, we have our tsukemasu. Tsukemasu, it means to be aware, but we have our ki, no? Kiwotsukemasu. That's the reason we have our make it te form, kiyotsukete. Okay, to be aware or to take care. Kiyotsukete. That's our te form. So for example, ingat sa corona. Okay, please take care or be careful with the corona. corona ni, okay? Corona ni kiyotsukemasu, okay? Or you want to say kiyotsukete kudasai. So here we have our hashi wa watarimasu. This is the only for the watate, okay? But here now we are now beginning our group 2 or our ichidan verbs, okay? So we have from our akemasu, it will turn to akete, atsumemasu, and we have our atsumete. So by simple, right? By dropping mas and by adding te. Some of the verbs here are already exempted. Okay, atsumete. Okay, and by adding kudasai. Okay. Now, let's take a look how to use more about the te form. In the te form, it can for our the consecutive of doing things. So for example, you will have your Christmas break and you can use this form already. So I want to say your Christmas break will start already on 21, right? Okay. 21日, or you can say, right? 12月, then for the date, okay, then you can say already the things that you are going to do. So for example, I wake up, okimasu. Then you eat, we have tabemasu. And you say here, shawa o abimasu, okay? So these are the things that you do, okay? But if you want to make it in a te form, okay, this on December 21, I will wake up, eat, and then take a shower. Just drop mas, then adding te, then mas, make it te, and here. But this is only limited to 3, and it should be on the right order of form, okay? So it means that you are saying here the right order. Okay? So you cannot say you eat first, then you wake up. It should be in the right order. Okay? Only maximum of 3. You can also say 2 only. So you want to say okite, then shawa. But this one, you will make the last one already as mas. Or you can say earlier, tabete, shawawa, then the last verb will be in a mas form already. But since you're gonna do your assignment for your Christmas break instead of mas, I should see now mashta. So it means once you make this one as the last verb as the past tense, the okimas and the tabemas is also already in the past tense. Now let's have some color to our sentence. So I can say rokoji ni okite. Okay, by 6 o'clock I wake up. Okay, then oishi asagohan. Oishi asagohan wa tabete, okay. But I'm not yet content with my sentence here, so I can also put the time. Shichiji ni oishi asagohan wa tabete. But I still not more. I want to add more on this one, so I can say here like Jollibee, if I want to say. Jollibee de oishi asagohan wa tabete. And I want to say with my friend, tomodachi. Tomodachi to, okay. Oishi asagohan wa tabete. Okay, you can use that one. Then shawa wa abimashita. You can put the time. Okay. But this one you can put here kuji kara, and same thing like that one. Kuji kara kujihan. Made shawa wo abimashita. No? So you can say in that sentence here. From 9 o'clock to 9:30, okay, I take a bath. Okay? I took a shower. I took a shower here. Okay? So I want you to create a sentence now using this type of form. Think a verb that has the form. Then create them, then let me check it.